Hi guys, with another video. In this video I will show you how you can cut the wood. That's what that we're gonna cut, and 3 inch, and I need the 3 inch straight wood, and I'm gonna cut straight. And I would like to use this circular saw, and I will show you how you can cut straight. If you don't have any tool that make it straight, and you can use this kind of wood and anything that you have, and just you can show it. I mean, you can use it. First, what we're gonna do, measuring the circular saw from cut point, and there's a distance from there you have to measure. You need that measurement from here to there. It's 3 inch 3/4 from here to here. You need to once again you need to measure it, cutting point and this distance. And now what is that? 3 inch 3/4. So what you will do, measure from here to here. What we need, 3 inch we need. Here, we need this much. But we have to put the circular saw distance, that cutting distance is what? 3 inch, one additional 3 inch, 1, 2, 3, and 3/4 right there. See, I put this already. The line here, and you will calculate same thing here. What you do, it's 3 inch what you need, and 3 inch 3/4 is cutting distance to the circular saw. And just type this right there. First the side, I can tie it here. First this side, straight one. Okay, let's go ahead. This one. And this way you're gonna cut the straight, and you don't cut the wrong way, and you will cut all the way straight, like. And put it this one. This side, I have to put better this side. Okay. What you do? This side, cutting side. This side. This should be this corner. The other one also that other side, as you see. Clips are this side. Now cutting point this side. We need 3 inch. What we did, 3 inch plus distance of the cutting space, 3 inch 3/4. Let's cut it. All right. Let's cut it. Okay. That just touched this wall. Alright. Okay, that's right here. What was this part? This part, cutting edge, which we measured that distance from here to here. Do you see? Oh, here. This is from here to cutting, and from here 3 inch 3/4. We need the 3 inch, so we cut the 3 inch. This is the cutting point. Let's see. Let's measure. As you see, like This is a straight cut. If there was there was nothing here, and I might make a crooked cut, not smooth cut. Here, let's measure. See, right there, 3 inch, right there, as you see. This way you can cut always small at straight, and you can use this wood, or there is a tools that they sell in Home Depot, aluminum one. You can use that too, but you don't need to buy anything, and whatever you have, straight wood, if you have straight wood, and tied it once again and cut it. So this is it, guys, and I hope this video is helpful to you guys, and see you soon with another video, and bye bye.